Introducing the 2022 Ford Focus Active Vignale in sleek black with only 25,000 miles on the clock. This petrol hybrid hatchback comes fully loaded with all the latest comfort, safety and tech features you could ever need. With luxurious trim, satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking and a panoramic glass roof, this car has it all. Plus, it comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer specification servicing, and a comprehensive warranty for added peace of mind. Don't miss out on this opportunity to drive away in style. Call us now or visit hillsford.co.uk for more information.